Hi, my name is Sherry Rizzuti and I'm the owner at Collectors Gallery, and we service the Oak Forest area. We'd like to give you something special, but first let me tell you a little bit about our business.
We buy all sorts of different coins, anything in coins, from foreign coins to United States coins, anything in silver and gold especially. That is the stuff that adds up to a lot more money. Anything in old US type coins in decent condition adds up to a lot of money. Anything foreign is looking for gold and silver, as in the United States coins. And we look them up in books. We have wholesale sheets that guide us as far as what we can get for them on the wholesale market or to other dealers or even retail customers. And we look it up and we base a price on that as to what we would sell it for.
Now what I'd like you to do is go to our website and see how you can get access to 20 free videos answering your most frequently asked questions. These videos will help you understand the vast array of products and services we offer. Now for that special offer we had talked about in the beginning. I'd like to send you a voucher for a free appraisal on any item that you bring into our store. Now if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone and give us a call at 708-633-8394. We'll be happy to speak with you and answer any and all of your questions.